In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF in Smallpdf. If you've got multiple PDF documents and you want to combine them into one clean file, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. Make sure you have your PDFs saved and ready and a stable internet connection. Start by opening your browser and heading to smallpdf.com. This is a simple, user-friendly site focused on PDF tools, and the merge feature works right in your browser. No software installation required. Once the homepage loads, click Login. If you're already signed in, you'll move forward automatically. Otherwise, choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly. When prompted, select your Google account to proceed. You won't need to type any passwords here because the Google sign-in handles that securely. If you prefer, you can use another login method available on the site, but for this demo, the Google option is the fastest. After you're signed in, look for the Merge tool. You can usually find it on the homepage or in the main tools list. Click Merge to open the workspace. Now it's time to add your files. You can upload your PDFs using the Upload button or just drag and drop them straight into the window. If you're merging several documents, it helps to rename your files beforehand so you can recognize the order at a glance. Once the files appear in the tool, you can rearrange them by dragging each file tile into the order you want. The order here will be the order in your final merged PDF, so take a moment to get it right. Larger files may take a few extra seconds to load. Just let the upload finish before moving on. When everything looks good, click Finish. Smallpdf will process your documents and combine them into one file. This typically takes only a moment, depending on file size and internet speed. When the result is ready, click Download to save your merged PDF to your computer. Choose a location you'll remember, and consider giving the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. If you're working on a shared computer, remember to sign out of your Smallpdf account when you're done. That's all there is to it. You've successfully merged your PDFs using Smallpdf, and your new combined document is ready to share, print, or archive. If you found this helpful, feel free to practice with a couple of test files so you get comfortable with reordering and confirming your final output before using it on important documents.